How to redeem codes in Evertale. I'm going to tell you how to redeem codes in Evertale, but also what changed in 2025. Right now, if you open the game on iOS or Android, you'll notice the redeem code option is gone. That means you can't just enter gift codes directly from your phone anymore, and this has frustrated a lot of players. Some say it's due to App Store policy changes, and others believe the devs disabled it to balance rewards. But here's the key part: there are still ways you might redeem codes if you really want to try. The best workaround is using Evertale on PC, either through an official client or an Android emulator. Some builds still show the old redeem codes menu under settings. If you see it, just type the code correctly, hit redeem, and check your in game mail for rewards. Codes like Spring 2025 or Welcome 2025 are still floating around, but they only work if the redemption feature shows up on your version. If the option is completely missing, then unfortunately, there's no way to use codes right now. So the bottom line is, on mobile, redeem codes are gone, but on PC, there's still a slim chance to use them if the menu appears. Keep an eye on Evertale's official pages for announcements because they might bring the feature back in future events.